Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming Docker is installed and you can authenticate. This lets you access registries. Once logged in, pull the exact image and tag you need, because using the wrong tag wastes time. Inspect the image with Docker images and Docker inspect to see layers and environment defaults, which helps you plan runtime variables and volumes. Make sure to use a stable tag for reproducibility, rather than latest, so deployments remain consistent across machines. Now run the container with the ports and volumes you need. Mapping ports exposes services, while mounts persist data. Use environment variables to inject secrets or configuration. Avoid baking secrets into images. Choose detached mode for background services and interactive mode when you need to debug with a shell. Once running, follow logs with Docker logs F and execute commands inside with Docker execut. These let you confirm behavior and iterate quickly. When you finish, gracefully stop and remove containers to free resources. If you made useful changes, commit them to a new image and push to your registry so others can reuse your work. Clean up unused images and volumes to reclaim disk space. If something goes wrong, start by checking container logs and Docker inspect to reveal runtime errors or misconfigured mounts, then verify host ports, file permissions, and environment variables. Often a permissions or port conflict is the root cause, and fixing that resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.